Hi everyone, today we're going to do some crafting again. It's gonna be a surprise one, so let's see what all the stuff we gathered. So there are some tissue papers which we cut stripes on them before. There's some egg papers, pizza boxes, cardboards, pens, yeah, pine cones, some yogurt boxes or some kind of dessert boxes, toilet paper roll, of course sellotape, and some glue as well, and yarn. This is a styrofoam ball. We have some straws cut in half. We have some cotton wool. We have bottles. We have, actually this thing was an old used yoga mat, and I just cut it in small stripes. I plan to make bags with it, but let's see, maybe we use some. We have a glue stick as well, and let's see what we're gonna do. In the meantime, if the kids get bored, they can have these coloring, and we have some stickers as well. So let's get cracking on. First, we're going to make some bugs from these ones, and a caterpillar from this one, and a snake from this one. You just cut it from an egg paper. This is what you get when you straight cut across, and then to get these bubbles, you just simply cut around these bubbles, if that makes sense. I decided to cut the snake to this shape and just simply cut in the middle one stripe, so it can be flattened or make easier shape for the snake. I will start to work with the snake because that seems the easiest for me, because you know it doesn't have legs. So the thing you want to do, you color this paper as your desired. I will show a little tutorial if you want to see. And after I color this as the head, and I'm going to stick this here so it gives some definition for the head. And then once this all done, you just need to make some tongue if you want, or if you're not, then leave it like that and it's ready. And I'll be back showing you how I color it. Okay, so our little snake is ready. You can play along with it. And then up to the caterpillar. So we had these 3 bump paper we cut before. I had this in the end left, so I just cut it in half and cut these little pieces out as well. And then I created this antennae, and then I thought I will use something like this for legs, like this. I'm gonna stick there. So to make that, we had this leftover paper from the snake, and you just pinch this together like this, and then you cut it off. Let's see how big was that. Yeah, so you just straight cut it off like this. Once you pinched it, you see it's making the shape already, so like a claw. You can just cut it off, and then we need 6 of these. Here it is when I assembled with these little tiny feet. And now it's up to you to color it again. There they are. We all finished all our things for today. So this is the snake, and I forgot to make her eyes first, but now you can see the eyes. And we have our little ladybug. And we have our rainbow caterpillar. Did you know there's such thing exists as a rainbow caterpillar? Right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for next time and share and like. Question of the day: what would you like me to make next time? Comment below in the comment section. See you soon.